Hello, genius. Welcome back. It's payday. And if you're trying to save money but feel like there's nothing else left at the end of the month, then this is the video for you. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful tips to help you start saving money no matter what your income. These are the simple, actionable steps that work, and they help me and thousands of others build good money habits. So, if you want to take control of your finances and finally start seeing your savings grow, stick around. Tip number 1, pay yourself first. This is a classic personal finance principle for a good reason. Instead of saving what's left over after spending, flip that on its head. Save first and spend what you have left. You could set up an automatic system whereby you can take, $20, $50, $100, even $5 from your checking to your savings every single payday. And you'll be amazed at how much even a little bit will add up. This helps you build up savings without relying on willpower. Think of it as a bill that you owe your future self. Tip number 2, track your spending. Track where your money is going because you can't save what you don't understand. You can use a free budgeting app like Mint or even build your own basic spreadsheet. Start by tracking every dollar for 30 days. You'll be shocked by how much slips through your fingers. Pay close attention to categories like eating out, subscriptions, and impulse buys. That awareness alone will help you cut back without feeling restricted. You're not aiming for perfection, just progress. Tip number 3, cut hidden expenses. Because hidden or unnecessary expenses are killers of your savings goals. Start with subscriptions. Are you really using that $20 streaming service? Or that gym that you haven't visited in a month or so? Cancel what you don't use, then look for small habits, maybe a coffee run, takeout, delivery fees. Cutting back even slightly can free up serious cash over time. Okay, this is one that I love. Try a no spending day at least once a week because it trains your mind to spend intentionally. On this channel we are into intention and being mindful, and boy, do we love being mindful with our money. Tip number 4, set specific goals. Set clear savings goals because saving is easier when you know why you're doing it. Instead of saying, I want to save more money, say, I want to save $1,000 for an emergency fund in 3 months. This gives you direction and motivation. And don't forget to write down your goals. You know what I think about writing it down? Writing it down makes it real. If you're not writing it down, it's not a goal, it's a wish. When you write down your goals, separate them into small milestones, then celebrate. One of my favorite ways is to celebrate is I have a money dance. I like putting on September by Earth, Wind, and Fire and doing my celebratory money dance because I met my milestone. Popular goals may include emergency fund, vacation saving, paying off debt, or just building a down payment. Knowing your why will keep you going. Tip number 5, make savings fun. Make saving fun and rewarding. You could try a challenge like the 52-week challenge or the $5 challenge, where every time you get a $5 bill, you save it. You can also get a friend or partner involved. Having accountability makes it easier to stick with it. Reward yourself in small, budget-friendly ways when you meet a milestone. Saving should not feel like a punishment because it's empowerment. Saving money doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, stay consistent, and give yourself grace along the way. Uh, Please share with us in the comments the savings tip that you swear by. And if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. We have more videos on budgeting, saving, building wealth, and job creation on the way. Thanks for watching. You don't have to be rich to begin building wealth. You just have to start where you are. Thank you so much. Peace and blessings to you.